Hello world, this is Jeremy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to contribute to the Naas awesome notebook repository we have right here. So, as you can see, the awesome notebook repository here on GitHub gives you access to 100 and plus notebooks, Jupyter Notebooks templates that are organized by tool, basically by source tool. So, when I want to contribute, the first thing I need to ask myself is, what is the source tool? Does it already exist in the list? The first example I'm going to show you is this example where I got data from Wordometer to get the word population by year. I managed to do with Quentin from the open source core team a scrapping of the website to get a full table adding the projection and the population by year and enabling us to visualize the graph here. This thing is not needed. The evolution of the population, how the population is going to go. Basically, it's going to plateau to around 11 billion. And this is where we are going to start decreasing the world population. So it's quite interesting. And we want to showcase and share that to the world. So how do we do that? Well, first I'm going to copy and make sure I have the repository of GitHub here. The code here, I have it here and I can download the code through the GitHub tab. And I'm going to create a new branch. Basically, I want to create this branch called Wordometer. Okay, create a branch. All right, so I'm now on this branch and I want to basically get this Wordometer register into the awesome notebooks. Is it here already? It's not. So let's create a folder right here, Wordometer. Good. And let's paste it here. Good. Wordometer. Okay, the spelling is wrong. Wordometer. Okay. Good. Now I have this in my notebook repository. I can open it. It's a copy of the actual one. And the only rule that exists in the formatting of this is to have the H1 that is properly saying the tool / the subject you are dealing with. Rest is fine. You can document it as much as possible because please, it's just more easy for people to understand what you've done. But there is no more rules than that for now. So let's go and let's see how to proceed forward. So now I'm here. I have the awesome notebook repository on the branch, which is Wordometer branch, and I want to update basically the list that is on the README. So how do I do that? No need to do it manually because this list is generated automatically. Generate README is just here. You need to run it. Run this notebook. And it will update the README in such a way that when you want to actually access whatever file inside the Jupyter Naas repository, the awesome notebook repository, you will have this little open in Naas button that will go straight under the H1. We have just launched this Generate With Me awesome notebooks. So what can we see? I don't have the button, and it's normal because you need to push it first. Okay, so let's go and let's push this thing to the repository. So coming back here, I'm on the Awesome Notebook folder, so I'm connected to GitHub, where I should be connected to GitHub. Here I am. It needs to take some time to set up, but I am here. So basically, I am here. I have made a branch, and with this GitHub thing, I can just synchronize my folder on my NAS with the folder on GitHub. So what did I change? I changed Wordometer, okay, evolution projection. I had this GDP growth and capital, okay, fantastic. So I want to add it. I want actually to add everything in staging mode. Here it is. And I want to commit. So first commit on Wordometer. The changes are committed. Good. You can see it here. Then I'm going to push it to GitHub. My username is Jeremy Ravenel and my password is secured. Good. Successfully pushed. We can see it from here. Good. Then what do I need to do? I have committed my changes, pushed it. I have a new branch. What do I have? I have a new commit, a new push that has been done 1 minute ago, and it's mine. So what I need to do now is that I need to see if what I've done has been done properly. Good. Okay, I have it here. Nice. I have the Wordometer. Good. And I have also this notebook I can visualize in GitHub. And as you can see, this little button is here now. If I click on the button, I'll be able to open it in Naas for everybody to use it. Great. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's come back to the Awesome Notebook repository. And on this GitHub, you have a suggestion of compare and pull request. Okay, so what you need to do here is just create a pull request. A pull request will enable the Wordometer branch to be merged to the master branch. And this will be secured by our core team in Naas. They will check that everything is nice, clean, and tidy, and that it's compliant with what we've just said. So try first commit. And Martin, for example, will have to validate it. So now that I'm here, I will be able to make my first commit on the master branch. And as you can see, some reviewers, Martin, our CTO, will be able to review it. You can add other reviewers if you want, but basically at the end of the day, we are going to review it to make sure everything stays clean and tidy in the repository. So, hello, Martin. I am doing the video on how to commit on Git. So I'm writing a little comment to Martin to let him know that I'm here. I can even record a Loom video to do it. And when Martin will validate, I will receive 50 credits for the benefit of this 50 maximum minutes you should take to commit to the repository. So our vision is to give you 50 credits per commit to compensate for the time you've spent on making this project and this commit. So Thank you for watching this video. I hope it encourages you to come and commit to the Awesome Notebook repository. And this was the first example of how we can do, but I guess there will be others. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.